Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Kayla and Carrie.
Today we're going to make homemade churros. It's actually the recipe I'm sending you guys for September, and we are going to make a gluten-free option. Why are we making gluten-free?
Because I can't eat gluten.
Evidently. All right, let's get started. So this is very improv. We have never done this recipe before, and you're supposed to put a cup of water, a fourth a cup of butter, a tablespoon of sugar, and a fourth of a teaspoon of salt on the stove, and it's going to come to a bubble. And then once that happens, we're going to put the flour in, whisk it all together, put it in our standing mixer with the egg and the vanilla. Then you can put this mixture in a piping bag, and squirt it in and cut it. We don't have a piping bag, so we're going to improvise. We're going to use a baggie, and we're going to still do the same thing, cut a tip. So they won't be beautiful, but they'll still taste good.
We're about to watch them fry. Okay, so this is our final product. I'm gonna eat them with chocolate sauce.
Syrup sauce. Do you want to taste them and then talk about the process, or you want to talk about the process
Yeah,
first?
I'm gonna taste them.
Yeah, because they're still hot. And of course, there's this little cinnamon sugar pile sitting over here. I'm gonna get the one that turned out looking like a shrimp. We'll see which that one. Over. Oh, that looks good. I can lick my fingers now, Kayla. Hold on. You don't even gonna wait on me?
Mm-mm.
How is it?
It's good.
Good. It's good. What did you think? How hard was it?
It was not hard. It was
Pretty
fairly easy to do at home to make churros.
It was fun too. Did you have fun? My favorite Disney. Well, I love chocolate cake, but I love churros, and that's what I think of when I think of churros. Okay, so what did we learn? What are some of the things? First of all, you don't really need that much oil. It says you don't, and you really don't need that much vegetable oil. We were actually almost out and didn't know we were going to make them, and we had more than enough, right? Our first ones were undercooked. But
Yeah. Leave them in longer or pipe them thinner.
Yeah, so you can kind of see this one, it's a dark golden brown. That's really where you need to be. This one that's super light, it's still doughy in the middle. You don't need a piping bag. We used the baggie, and they cooked just fine. Kayla is the master coater of sugar on churros, and even though ours looked wonky, they tasted really good. So you don't have to have a piping bag. You don't have to have a whole lot of vegetable oil. Leave them in for a good little while. And I loved your homemade sauce, chocolate sauce. It was really good, but I think chocolate syrup would have been really good too. So if you want some chocolate or raspberry sauce or whatever, you can cut another step and just use already made, but it literally took 30 seconds in the microwave, right? To make the salad. Tag us. And hopefully Kayla and I are going to make some more cooking videos this year. Are we going to do that?
Maybe.
Yeah, that's our plan. Shout out to Christy Slusher for my cup too, by the way. I'm using it. As a matter of fact, even though it has my name on it, everybody uses it. David uses it, right? All right. I hope y'all have a good day. Send me a video or a photo of you making your churros, and we'll have fun with it.
Bye.
Bye.